Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. Today is a great day. I'll be making sure I give you some analysis and show you guys just about how I'm able to make money using the breakouts, how I'm able to see that this is a fake breakout, this is a correct breakout. So, if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Click the like, click the subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop something new. So without wasting much time, grab your pen and paper. Let's go into the charts. We are on the charts, guys, and as you know, we always start with a higher time frame because we want to be able to understand the bigger picture before we can go to other small time frames. So you need to understand that before you can be able to take your trades, you need to understand and see the bigger picture. That way you'll be able to understand and be able to see with ease just about how you are able to take the trade with the right reasons and rules and the properties as well. So let's look at what we are looking at. As I've explained, I'll be showing you the breakouts that are able to assist you. First and foremost, you can see here we are having a pattern in this nature, but you have to remember that this pattern it is indeed a corrective pattern showing a move to the upside, but as much as we can see that the move was pushing to the upside, as long as it hasn't broken this, it has not confirmed that it is indeed pushing to the upside. But once it is confirmed, hence we call the entries that we take around this point here as risk entries. Because why? It is entries before the break. So once the break is confirmed, that's when you can say that now we are taking a reduced risk entry, which is a confirmed breakout entry, which you'll be taking it around this level. That's when now you can see once this candle closes, you can be able to take your entry, but don't forget to put your stop loss in the right place. You need to put the stop loss in the right place as always. You cannot put your stop loss here, then kick out. Put it below the previous low if you are taking a bullish trade. Don't be looking at the money that you are losing, but put it at the right point. So I'm glad you can see what I've explained as to see what a breakout is. A breakout is simple pattern that we can say impulse, something like this. So a break will be this. This will be the break. This will be the breakout. And also we have a similar thing which we call when the market breaks out and retest, something like this. We call it a breakout and retest. I prefer this one because it happens most of the time. You could say 95 to 98% of the time when the market breaks, it comes back to retest before pushing. So in most cases, we'll take our entry here, we'll buy what at the retest. Oh, this retest. So with this being said, it's simply saying the market pushes, breaks this, and then comes back to a retest. Sometimes it reverses just about this point. I'll show you. So you'll be looking further to this area, but also for you to be able to see what the market is showing you where it's gonna turn, you can also use this fib level. You can see sometimes you put it here and it comes to retest here at 61.8. Sometimes it reverses here around 38.2. So you just need to be aware of where you are looking your breakout or your retracement. Also, one other thing, most people they will have a certain breakout in this manner. This will be a channel. It's actually the same way, just that sometimes I don't draw many lines just to simplify my trading. I want to show you something. Sometimes you have this, something like this. Yes, something like this. Break, retest, go down. You understand? So you will have breakouts here, breakouts. Another one will be here. You can do it here. Another one will be here. A breakout, 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 and then this will be a breakout as well. And what we'll be expecting for a change of direction, always make sure most of the time you wait for a retest so that you can be aware that it is indeed a change of direction before you can sell. Once it breaks, wait for a retest, then that's when you can take your sell position, because sometimes you have something that breaks in this manner and then it comes back into this channel. You see, sometimes you have something that does this. So you can see it was just a fake out, trying to catch people into the wrong side. Those that sold, they got left behind and started to continue to the upside. So now let's go into the charts and see the right example. So this is a 24 hour. So what I will do, as you know, draw your lines. Trend lines do work, guys. You just have to place them in the right place, because I've seen many people saying trend lines don't work. Trend lines do work. It's part of price action. That's how we are able to see the movement, even though the price or the market makers don't see this lines. Always remember that we are using them as a significant guide. What they can tell you is that all this here, we are having it as a what? As a corrective pattern, because you can see we had this move. You see? So we are having this move and we are coming where? With an impulsive move, and we are having this, and then boom. So you can see that this whole thing, it is what? A corrective pattern. So as I always explain, that you won't get a bull trade all the time. So let's identify our breakouts. You can see we have a breakout here. So for you to avoid having losses, sometimes you can be able to take your trades at the break. Once it breaks here, but make sure you put your stop loss at the right place. Put it below the previous low, not below the previous candle, below the previous low. That way you'll be able to understand that you have placed your stop loss in the right place. So you can see here, this will be a breakout. Breakout in the comment channel. The one that I've explained, you see here, we are having a break, retest, boom. You see? Retest. Okay. Another one, you could see here, what did we have? So the break in retest happens most of the break, retest, reached our TP here. You see, break, retest. Another one here is break, retest. I want the one that didn't have break and retest, so that you can be able to see. Go to 1 hour time frame. falling wedge, see, falling wedge, boom, break. So you can see you could have took the trade here and in. This is our TP. Okay. So now, where are we currently? Let me move most of this so you can be able to see where we are currently. So now, I want to anticipate the direction we are going to take now. I see we have the highest point here. Understand? So if I'm buying, this will be my TP before we can break and retest. So, but I can see we are having a potential candlestick formation, which is a double top. So I'm looking at this going down before we can push to the upside again. So this is what I can see. We have a break. So me selling at this moment, it's actually safer than to buy. Then I'll take it all the way here. But always remember to put in your partial take profit. TP, another TP will be, you can put it around here, around here. The last TP will be here. Because why? I'm expecting this movement before we can push to the upside. And that way now, what I'll be having, I'll have this pattern, which is once it breaks here, I'm expecting what? A further move to the upside. So this is what I'll be looking for. So as you can see here, we are having a break, and also we have 2 points showing us a bearish movement, a break. So it's possible that we can come back again to retest here. It's possible that we can come do this before we push to the upside. So currently I'm in a bearish channel here. It's your favorite mentor. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you took notes. I'm glad to be sharing this knowledge with you. It's 2023. Let's make it worth a while. Share it with your friends and families. From your favorite mentor. Peace.